Picture this, it's a gorgeous summer's day and you get a text message from a mate to say I'm coming round and you need to whip up something super fast. I'm going to teach you the ultimate seafood charcuterie board. We're going to do a Tassal Salmon Rillette, super smooth, and then we're going to bulk it out with some Tassal Aussie Tiger prawns with 3 epic dipping sauces. Our smoked salmon rillette is going to be the hero of our charcuterie board, and the key to the perfect smoked salmon rillette is great quality salmon. I'm using Tassal cold smoked salmon. You can use hot smoked salmon, it'll work out just as fine. Let's get into the recipe. Our first step is to chop through our salmon. Finely dice your chives and your dill. Run a knife through your capers and your cornichons. This dip really has it all. It's smoky, it's sweet, it's creamy, and it's got a beautiful acidic kick at the back of your throat. It's just so wonderful. Plus, it's simple. We're going to finish it up by folding in some creme fraiche. There is nothing better than Aussie tiger prawns. They're plump, delicious, and sweet, so we really don't need to do too much to them. What I'm going to do is show you 3 sauces that will elevate those natural flavors. So let's get into it. My first sauce is the ultimate zingy summer sauce. It is a chimichurri. We're going to run a knife through some parsley, some oregano, and some coriander. To that, we're going to add some lemon rind and lemon juice. We're then going to add in some olive oil and some red wine vinegar. Finish that with some salt and pepper and give it a good mix. My next sauce is bringing some heat, and it's a play on the Bloody Mary cocktail. It's a Bloody Mary dipping sauce. In a bowl, we're going to fold through some mayonnaise, some Tabasco, some tomato sauce, and then we're going to finish that with a light shred of celery leaf. Sauce number 3 is an absolute classic. It's a tartare sauce. All of your ingredients go into a food processor, you blend them up until it's smooth, season it with a little bit of salt and pepper, and you're good to go. I mean, this is how you impress your mates. There you have it, the ultimate seafood charcuterie board. Now all you need to do is tuck in.